Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into something a little different, and by diving, I mean we're looking at everything around us, from the wonders of the night sky to the mysteries of the deep ocean. We'll start by gazing up at the stars, learning a bit about the basics of astronomy, and then plunge down to explore the ocean's deepest parts. Ready for an adventure? Let's jump in. So, when we look up at the night sky, we're actually seeing just a fraction of the universe. Astronomy, the study of space, has been around for thousands of years, but our understanding has exploded over the last few centuries. Let's break down some basics. 1. The solar system. We live on Earth, one of 8 planets in our solar system that orbit the Sun. We're in what scientists call the habitable zone, which means we're just the right distance from the Sun to have liquid water. Our solar system also includes fascinating places like Jupiter with its giant storms, Saturn with its beautiful rings, and Mars, the red planet that we're studying intensely for signs of past or present life. 2. Stars and galaxies. Beyond our solar system, there are stars, each a massive ball of gas burning millions of miles away. Our Sun is just one of hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way. And the Milky Way is one of countless galaxies scattered throughout the universe. Galaxies can be spiral-shaped, like ours, or elliptical, and some are just enormous clusters of stars and dust. 3. The Big Bang and the expanding universe. One of the big questions in astronomy is, how did the universe start? The most accepted theory is the Big Bang, which happened around 13.8 billion years ago. Imagine a tiny, incredibly dense point suddenly expanding, creating all space, time, and matter. The universe has been expanding ever since, with galaxies moving away from each other as the fabric of space stretches. 4. Black holes. Of course, we can't talk about space without mentioning black holes. These are regions in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Black holes form when massive stars collapse in on themselves. And while they're invisible to the naked eye, we can see their effects on nearby stars and gas, helping us spot them in the cosmos. Into the deep, ocean exploration. Alright, we've seen what's above, but did you know that the ocean is one of the least explored places on Earth? We've actually mapped more of the surface of the moon than we have of our own oceans. 1. The layers of the ocean. The ocean isn't just one big, uniform space. It has different layers, each with unique characteristics and creatures. The top layer, the epipelagic zone, is where most marine life lives because sunlight can reach here. But as we go deeper, to the mesopelagic and bathypelagic zones, the light fades, and life becomes more adapted to darkness. 2. The abyss and hadal zone. Then there's the abyssopelagic zone, or simply, the abyss, which is pitch black and near freezing. Below that is the hadal zone, named after the Greek god of the underworld. This is the deepest part of the ocean, found in trenches like the Mariana Trench, which plunges over 36,000 feet down. 3. Life in the deep sea. Believe it or not, life exists even in these extreme depths. We're talking about bizarre, alien-like creatures like the anglerfish, with its glowing lure, and giant tube worms that live near hydrothermal vents. These vents spew out superheated, mineral-rich water, and some organisms rely on chemical energy from the Earth itself rather than sunlight. Pretty wild, right? 4. Technology for exploring the ocean. So how do we explore these mysterious places? Since the pressure is too intense for humans, we use remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, equipped with cameras and sensors. These robots can withstand extreme depths, sending back incredible footage and data from places we'd otherwise never see. Why exploring the universe and oceans matters? You might wonder, why spend time and resources on these explorations? Well, both space and ocean research help us understand fundamental questions about life, Earth, and the potential for life beyond our planet. 1. Searching for extraterrestrial life. In space, we're looking for planets in other solar systems that might have conditions similar to Earth. This is called the search for exoplanets. We've already found thousands of them, and some, like those in the habitable zone of their stars, have the potential for liquid water, one of the ingredients for life as we know it. 2. Innovation and technology. Exploring extreme environments has also driven technological advancements. Think of the satellite tech we use daily. It started with space exploration. Underwater ROVs and submersibles have also led to developments in robotics and materials that withstand pressure. What's next for space and ocean exploration? So, what's next? In space, the James Webb Telescope is already showing us never-before-seen images, while missions to Mars and beyond are on the horizon. Companies like SpaceX and NASA are working on ways to explore our solar system more extensively. And down in the ocean, researchers are developing underwater habitats and deep-sea robots to study ocean ecosystems in more detail than ever before. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through the cosmos and the ocean's depths. It's amazing to think about how much is still out there, waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more adventures.